From field to fork, the broccoli journey begins. Have you ever wondered how that vibrant green broccoli ends up on your dinner plate? It's a fascinating journey from farm to fork, made possible by modern agricultural technology and the hard work of dedicated farmers. Let's dive into the world of broccoli farming and explore the steps involved in bringing this nutritious vegetable to your table. Getting ready for broccoli, preparing the soil. Before a single broccoli seed is sown, farmers meticulously prepare the land. First, they plow the field to loosen and aerate the soil. This process helps break up compacted soil, allowing for better root development. Next comes tilling, which further refines the soil structure and removes any weeds or crop residue. Finally, farmers enrich the soil with essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These nutrients are crucial for healthy plant growth and a bountiful broccoli harvest.
Know you've been a good friend.
Planting the seeds of goodness, sowing and transplanting. Broccoli can be planted using two main methods: direct sowing and transplanting. Direct sowing involves planting seeds directly into the prepared soil. While this method is cost-effective, it requires careful monitoring of seed spacing and germination rates. Transplanting, on the other hand, involves starting broccoli seeds in a controlled environment like a greenhouse. Once the seedlings are strong enough, they are carefully transplanted into the field using automated machines. This method ensures consistent plant spacing and reduces the time needed for the broccoli to mature. Quenching broccoli's thirst, high-tech irrigation. In the world of modern agriculture, ensuring that crops receive the right amount of water is crucial. This is especially true for broccoli, a vegetable that thrives on consistent hydration. Like all plants, broccoli needs a consistent supply of water to thrive. Without adequate water, the plants can become stressed, leading to reduced yields and lower quality produce. This is where advanced irrigation systems come into play, revolutionizing the way farmers manage their water resources. Modern broccoli farms rely on advanced irrigation systems to deliver water directly to the roots. These systems are designed to maximize efficiency, ensuring that every drop of water is used effectively. By targeting the roots, these systems help to minimize water waste and promote healthier plant growth. Drip irrigation is a popular method that uses a network of tubes with small holes to slowly release water to the base of each plant. This method is highly efficient, as it reduces evaporation and runoff, ensuring that the water goes exactly where it's needed. Drip irrigation is particularly beneficial in areas with limited water resources. Sprinkler systems are another common irrigation method, particularly for larger fields. These systems can cover a wide area, making them ideal for extensive broccoli farms. Sprinklers can be adjusted to deliver the right amount of water depending on the needs of the crop and the weather conditions. These systems spray water over a wide area, mimicking natural rainfall. This not only helps to hydrate the plants, but also helps to cool them down during hot weather. The gentle spray of water can also help to wash away dust and pests from the leaves, promoting healthier growth. Many farmers now use remote-controlled irrigation systems that allow them to monitor and adjust water delivery based on weather conditions and soil moisture levels. With the help of technology, farmers can ensure that their broccoli crops receive the optimal amount of water, leading to better yields and more sustainable farming practices. These innovations are transforming agriculture, making it more efficient and environmentally friendly. Protecting the crop. Keeping pests and diseases at bay. Broccoli is susceptible to various pests and diseases that can damage the crop and reduce yields. These threats can come in many forms, from insects that chew on the leaves and stems to fungal infections that can spread rapidly through a field. Farmers employ integrated pest management or IPM techniques to protect their broccoli plants. This approach is holistic and sustainable, aiming to manage pest populations in an environmentally friendly way. IPM focuses on a combination of strategies including cultural practices, biological control, and targeted pesticide use. Each of these methods plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of the crop. Cultural practices involve crop rotation, proper sanitation, and selecting resistant broccoli varieties. Crop rotation helps break the life cycle of pests, while sanitation reduces the chances of disease spread. Choosing resistant varieties can provide a natural defense against common threats. Biological control means introducing beneficial insects that prey on pests. For example, Ladybugs and lacewings are natural predators of aphids, a common pest in broccoli fields. And targeted pesticide use involves applying pesticides only when necessary and in a way that minimizes environmental impact. This means using the right amount at the right time to avoid harming beneficial insects and the surrounding environment. By implementing IPM strategies, farmers can effectively control pests and diseases while minimizing the use of chemical pesticides. This not only helps in producing healthier crops, but also ensures that the farming practices are sustainable and environmentally friendly. The collaboration and continuous learning among farmers play a significant role in the success of these methods. Broccoli, Big Brother monitoring growth with technology. Gone are the days of relying solely on visual inspections to monitor crop health. Modern broccoli farms utilize advanced technology to track plant growth and identify potential problems early on. Drones equipped with multispectral cameras can capture images of the field, providing valuable insights into plant health, nutrient deficiencies, and irrigation needs. Smart sensors placed strategically throughout the field can monitor soil moisture, temperature, and nutrient levels. This real-time data allows farmers to make informed decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and pest control, optimizing broccoli growth and yield. Harvest time from field to factory. Knowing when to harvest broccoli is crucial for ensuring optimal flavor and texture. Broccoli is typically ready for harvest 70 to 100 days after planting, depending on the variety and growing conditions. The head should be dark green and compact, with tightly closed florets. Harvesting can be done by hand or with specialized machines. Hand harvesting involves workers walking through the field, carefully cutting the broccoli heads from the plants. Mechanical harvesters, on the other hand, use a conveyor belt system to cut and collect the broccoli heads efficiently, especially for large-scale operations. Freshness guaranteed. Processing and packaging. Ensuring that the broccoli you enjoy is as fresh as possible involves a meticulous process from the moment it is harvested to the time it reaches your table. Once harvested, the broccoli heads are carefully transported to a processing facility. This journey is crucial as it marks the beginning of a series of steps designed to preserve the vegetable's natural goodness. Here, they undergo several steps to ensure freshness and quality. Each step is meticulously planned and executed to maintain the highest standards. First, the broccoli is thoroughly cleaned to remove any dirt or debris. This cleaning process is essential to ensure that the broccoli is safe and hygienic for consumption. Then it is sorted and graded based on size and quality. Sorting helps in categorizing the broccoli, ensuring that only the best quality heads make it to the packaging stage. Next, the broccoli is cooled rapidly to remove field heat and slow down the deterioration process. This step is vital as it helps in preserving the broccoli's texture and nutritional value. This is typically done using hydrocooling, where the broccoli is showered with cold water. Hydrocooling is an effective method to quickly bring down the temperature of the broccoli. Alternatively, forced air cooling is used where cold air is circulated around the produce. This method ensures that the broccoli is evenly cooled, maintaining its freshness. Finally, the broccoli is packaged in breathable bags or containers to maintain freshness during transportation. These special packaging materials allow the broccoli to breathe, preventing moisture buildup and extending its shelf life. The journey from farm to table is a testament to the dedication and care taken to provide you with the freshest produce possible. Bringing broccoli to your plate. Distribution and retail. The final stage of the broccoli journey involves distribution to grocery stores and supermarkets. Refrigerated trucks transport the packaged broccoli to distribution centers, where it is further sorted and prepared for delivery to individual stores. Upon arrival at the store, the broccoli is displayed in refrigerated sections, ready for consumers to purchase. From there, it makes its way to your shopping cart, and eventually onto your plate, completing its journey from field to fork. Enjoy the Journey Broccoli's farm-to-table adventure. The next time you enjoy a delicious plate of broccoli, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it took to get there. From the meticulous soil preparation to the high-tech monitoring systems, every step of the process plays a vital role in bringing this nutritious vegetable to your table. So, savor the flavor and remember the hard work and innovation that goes into every bite.